Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Christian. This channel's name is Kikan, in case you're wondering how to pronounce it. We're gonna be doing some unboxings, some product reviews from here going forward. Again, I explained this on my previous videos, but they're actually in Spanish, so just want to make sure I explain this from the very beginning. I started off my channel in Spanish. I've only done about 2 videos, but I've decided to do Spanish and English. So there's going to be 2 playlists. There's going to be one playlist that's going to be all of my videos in English, one playlist is going to be all of my videos in Spanish. Today's actually my first unboxing, so my first product unboxing, and then in a week or 2 I'll probably have the full review. So without any further ado, let's get started. And all right guys, so here's the box. This is going to be the back. If you're wondering where I got this awesome knife, I actually got it on my last trip to Argentina. So let's just slice this baby open. It's quite a nice looking box as far as boxes go. But if you go ahead and just flip it over, which we're going to do right now, you actually do get to see the initial design, or a little bit of the design of what the speaker looks like. Let's just take this cover off. Took way too long, so let's skip ahead here. We are greeted right away with the speaker. Now, this is actually a really nice big speaker. It does have some weight when you pull it out of the box, but it really does feel nice, looks nice. Let's check to see what else we got in the box. So just some instructions, probably not going to read that, let's put that aside. We also got a charger. Now it is a little bit bigger than the last one. I'll have to check and see. There's nothing else in the box from what I see, so let's go ahead and put this aside and actually just do a quick comparison with its smaller brother. So we had a 7-inch screen, now a 3-inch difference. 10-inch screen is actually quite a bit bigger when you think about it, and when you see it you can feel it in the weight. So it's really nice actually, and this smaller one is one that I had in my kitchen before. I used to pull recipes, listen to music, all that kind of stuff, but now this bigger brother is going to be a lot better. It's got a 3-inch subwoofer in the back and 2 small tweeters in the front, which would help a lot with sound, but we'll do that in a further review, so just stay tuned for that. Now when you go ahead and you plug the speaker up, it's quite simple to set it up. You're going to be greeted with the Google logo. After a little bit of time, you're actually going to get to set it up. All you have to do is pull up your home app on your phone, put your home next, make sure that you're on Wi-Fi and connect to your Nest Hub Max, click next. Now it's going to connect. It might take a little bit of time, but then you're going to get a code to verify that it's the right speaker. Just go ahead and click next. We're going to get to choose which room it's going to be in. In this case, it's going to be the kitchen. Just click next, confirm your Wi-Fi, next, and it's going to connect. Now it did take a little bit of time, so again, I'm skipping ahead. And I did have an update as well that I had to wait for. Now I'm not going to do a full review here. This is just the unboxing, but I will definitely upload a review later on after about a week or so, just to make sure that I get enough time to use it. So once it's completely set up, this is what it's going to look like. It's actually a really beautiful speaker. Again, you do get a lot of functionality out of that screen. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, there's also, I guess, a thumbs down. Be sure to leave me a comment in the section below if you liked or didn't like my video, how I can improve. Also, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button so that you'll be notified for any future uploads from my channel. Thank you. Till the next time.